Welcome to our guide, or your guide, on harnessing the power of HubSpot, tailored specifically for residential and commercial painting companies. In this video series, we are going to be diving into the basics of HubSpot and how it can revolutionize your painting business operation. Hello and a warm welcome to Boolean Automation's channel. If you're new here, my name is Chris. I'm the owner of Boolean, and we specialize in no-code automation solutions specifically for painting companies like yours to streamline your business processes. This video is part of an exclusive series designed to help you fully optimize every single aspect of HubSpot, which is such a powerful tool, ensuring your business operates at its peak efficiency. Remember, our goal here at Boolean is to free you up to do what you love, so we let you focus more on customer interactions, problem solving, enjoying your personal time, while we handle the tedious data entry and automation work. Let's get started with the essentials of HubSpot. HubSpot is a dynamic CRM platform that offers a multitude of features to enhance your customer relationships and streamline sales processes. For painting companies, this means better lead tracking, efficient project management, and more effective communication with your clients. The first thing to know about HubSpot is that it's a user-friendly interface. Whether you're scheduling a job, tracking client interactions, or managing leads, HubSpot makes these tasks straightforward and accessible. The key features include contact management, where you can store and organize customer information. You can record phone calls, notes, meetings, all that stuff is all kept internally inside of HubSpot. Deal tracking, you can keep tabs on painting projects at various stages. You can integrate your email so all communication is centralized and easy to access for everyone. By the way, don't forget to hit the like button if you're finding any of this information helpful. It really helps the algorithm reach more painting companies just like you, so we can keep sharing our knowledge and helping you get the most out of HubSpot and the other processes and tools in your business. Now, as I wrap up this introduction, remember, this is just the beginning introduction. This video series is going to dive deeper into each of the features of HubSpot and help you get the knowledge and the tools to leverage it to its full potential. Make sure that you subscribe to our channel if you want more insights and tips on how to optimize and streamline your painting business. By doing so, you're helping not only support us, but also ensuring that you don't miss out on any of these valuable tips and tricks that I'm going to be producing in this series, but also in my other videos. Thank you so much for watching. We are here to free you up to do what you love.